Okay, this is Broadway Steel's rotational capacity bolt test, take 3. First thing we're going to do is measure the length of the bolt using our tape measure and our bolt. It's an A325 bolt. It's 2.5 inches long. We know it's 3/4 inches in diameter. Now we're going to assemble the nut and the bolt and the washers in the tension jig. I'm going to put just enough washers in so that we have approximately 3 threads showing out of the nut. Alright, now we're going to grab the spud wrench and we're going to tighten it up snug to about 3 kips. Okay, now that we've reached 3 kips, we're going to take Mr. Paint Pen. We're going to make a witness mark running vertically up the face of the bolt, the nut, and the machine. And using the chart, we know that for a 3/4 inch bolt, we've got to have a tension showing of 28 kips or 28,000 pounds. So we're going to put the big torque wrench on and start tightening it down. There's 20,000, 25, 26, a little more, 20, just a hair more, right there, 28,000, okay. We're now showing 28,000 pounds of tension. We've recorded the torque off the torque wrench at the same time. We will now check the chart, and we have to rotate the nut a further amount to reach 2/3 of a turn, which would be approximately the 7 o'clock position. Let's check it. We're down around 6. Give it just a hair more, please. Okay. So we're at the 2/3 mark now. As you can plainly see, according to the chart, we have to have a minimum of 32 kips, which according to our gauge we have, or 32,000 pounds tension. So this bolt passes the tension test. We'll now remove the bolt from the machine and give it the visual inspection. Okay, Joey, if you would check the bolt visually for signs of cracks or thread galling, and would you run the nut, please, up and down the bolt one time. Make sure it spins freely. We would then repeat this test on one more bolt assembly, and then 2 assemblies for each type and size of bolt. Alright, this bolt passes. Thank you very much. Again, Broadway Steel's rotational capacity bolt test.